Right guys, welcome to this week's build, and as you can see here I'm going to be using some of this treated wood I used, which was spare leftover scrap from the log store build. So initially I had the idea of making 3 of these items, but I didn't have quite enough wood, so I just made 2 in the end. These, you haven't got to be super conscious about dimensions. You can just make them to whatever size you want. You don't have to be super accurate. They're a bit of fun really. So I'm just cutting the wood down to the sizes I need off of what I've got, just to make it them sort of look half decent. So I'm just going through the table saw here, just taking it nice and easy. I am going to be making some more of them push sticks, and I've changed my blade. I've got a new blade. I've put a Freud blade in there, which seems to be working fantastic. Just nice and easy through your table saw. Keep your hands well away. So I'm just measuring out, just random measurements. There's no specifics here. I'm just going through on the mitre saw. I love doing these sort of angles for you. That's a nice angle, isn't it, that one? So art is not my strong point, but I'm going to do a bit of art here. And guys, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please will you subscribe to the channel? Just help boost me, boost the algorithms, all that kind of things. It gets it pushed out to more people. And if you comment and like, hit the notifications so you don't miss any of me upcoming videos. I've got some right corkers coming up. Corkers means to you guys in the States and Canada and Australia, corkers means good videos. So yeah, if you wouldn't mind subscribing, you can hit the super thanks if you want to support me that way, or go over onto Patreon. So I'm just going to start this off because I'm going to be doing some jigsawing here. It don't matter what size bit you use to go through there, as long as you can get your jigsaw blade in with a bit of space around it. Again, this is just random. You probably know what I'm making. I'm making them lantern type things. But this is all out of bits of scrap wood that I had left over. And what I will do with these, I'll just give them away to, you know, a local kid or something. I'll put them on the front, and whoever wants them for Halloween can have them for Halloween. I just thought I didn't want to throw the wood away. I can't burn this wood. I can't use it because it's got a treatment on it, so I thought I'd make something with it and just do a quick video with it. Now, one of the other videos I've got coming up is something really odd. Somebody asked me to make them something really odd, which will probably be the next video. So stay tuned in for that one, and I'll put that on early next week rather than wait until next Sunday. I've got another project lined up for next Sunday anyway. So I'm just gluing and brad nailing everything together here just to get it all together. My brad nailer, if anybody's wanting to know about this brad nailer, it's working fine. It's the DeWalt brad nailer. It's a nice bit of kit to have. You don't need that one, but you know, they are really super handy bits of kit to have, brad nailers, aren't they? What's your favourite piece of kit you've got? What tool, what you couldn't do without? Let me know in the comments below. So again, I'm just brad nailing in here, just lining everything up best as I can. You don't have to be perfect. Just nice and simple, take your time. And you can see where I cut one of the faces out there. I'm just gluing around it. I did that with a jigsaw. There's loads of ways of doing it. You can do them with, excuse me, you can do them with lasers. You can do them with one of them, what are they called, scroll saws, but I just opted for the jigsaw for speed. And the top and the bottom just get a glue. The bottom gets glued down, and then I'd screw that onto it. Brad nail it first just to hold it, let the glue go off, and then I'll just screw it for a bit of extra security. So let me know where you're all from, and let me know what you're all making this week. Give me some ideas onto some projects I can be doing. I've got about 4 or 5 projects lined up now for my next 4 or 5 videos. One being the odd one I'm doing. Well, I've basically, as you're hearing me do this, I've actually finished the video. I've got to do the editing on it. And it was a request I got off a friend of mine. And she's asked me to make her something, which is completely sort of bonkers, but I've made it. We're just taking it nice and easy. And this is just for the lid. They're just little random offcuts. I just glue on and I'll screw on from underneath. And just sanding everything over just to get all like the furry bits and the sharp edges off with a 80 grit sandpaper. Nothing more than that really. Didn't need it. But you can batch these out. You can make these. Craft fairs coming up to Halloween now. Sell them in 2s, 3s, 4s. Paint them, spray them. Leave them as they are. Let your customers decorate them. Just sanding, bit of hand sanding now. Just nice and easy. Just take your time with them. They're really quick. You can knock these up in, you know, an hour. That's it. No more than that. And I'm just using car lacquer. It's just what I had. I'm not going to use Danish oil or anything on them. I'm just a bit of car lacquer, clear acrylic lacquer. I think they use it on cars. I got it from a car shop anyway. Again, make sure you're well ventilated using this stuff as well. Mask on. Ventilation, most important. And it sort of brings that wood out, the grain of that wood out. It's really weird. It's sort of like a product that works really well with wood. You only need one coat. You don't really need more than that, really. And here's them finished. Modelled these on the ex-mother-in-law. Every time she used to come to the house, she had this sort of look about her. Takes her off to a T. That actually takes me back a good number of years. And it just got like them flickering battery powered lights inside. I've not used the flames, so there you go. Turn the lights out for you, and that's what they sort of look like that way. They're quite effective, really. Thanks for watching, and on to the next one.